Okay, got the Steve Mead distortion detector in just now. Go ahead and cut it and see what it looks like. Can't wait to use it. It's taped up pretty good. I'll just rip it. Big or small systems, nobody wants distortion. I'd get it. Oh yeah. Nice. I don't remember seeing those in the video. Those little slits in the back. Oh, that's pretty cool. Decal. Another decal. Your CD. Instructions I'm definitely going to have to read. And an actual Steve Mead card. That's pretty cool. I think that's everything. Alright, so this is everything you get when you get the Steve Mead distortion detector. Alright, thank you.